Hey guys, Papa Rome's here. I'm going to be doing a new review. I just bought it, an unboxing of the OZARK Trail, the instant easy pop screen house here. It's like a 10 by 10. We'll see how it goes up. And we're up in the Adirondacks, island camping, primitive style, no campground. This is just on our own fishing. And you know, the Adirondacks, you need some kind of bug protection. So we picked this up real quick, not to wait for anything to come through the mail. So stay tuned, we'll put it up, we'll see how it goes together, and give you an honest review by the end of it. And we're gonna just check this out. It was $74, and then you have tax, stakes with some cord, and then this comes with, it's all in a cardboard box within the bag. So the reason why I went with this was, one, it was available, but two, I like the fact that it should be a pop-up. That's why I wanted it. So we'll see what it looks like. Quality, I'm not sure. No instructions, never looked at this thing. I'm just popping it up and we'll see how it opens. I'm assuming it's gotta lift up, so I'm trying to figure this out. Might have to put it upside down. There you go. Okay, so that would be the roof.
Wait, wait, why is that one straight?
She just yelled at me, said there they are. There's instructions, guys, I think. Owner's manual. She's like, you don't like to read. Oh, no kidding. Let's see here. We'll get back to you in 2 seconds. I gotta hold this up. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, here's something I wish we had on camera. She's reading the instructions and I'm like, wait a minute, there's something wrong here, because it should just go up and anchor down. And then all of a sudden she's like, babe, it's inside out. So we got this inside out. That's why I'm wondering why it's not setting properly.
Okay, come on, let's...
So we're gonna flip this over and take it the other way. Very easy. There you go. Look at that. A freaking screen house, guys. So the way this is gonna work is we're gonna reset it over the table. All right, so we're just getting the guy lines put in. If you want to learn how to do guy lines, I have another video out and that'll teach you. It'll be up above how to set these in place. So all right, so I'm gonna get the last one in. We're just gonna shift it in place and we'll check it out. Okay, so we finished. Whether or not it's done properly, I have no idea. I didn't look at the instructions because I didn't know there were instructions till here's Truly over there told me, hey, there's instructions. But I think it looks pretty good. It'll do the job that we need. We're not looking for heavy rain. If there was, I brought a big tarp that we could tarp off on these trees, which will be good. But the way it went up pretty easy. It folded inside out from what we thought originally. You have to put these legs out, they telescope down, and then your guy lines are how it pretty much pulls itself together. And just down in the middle here, a couple stakes. They give you 2 extra stakes on top just to have in case you lose them. But it'll keep the black flies out. We'll be able to hang out here. We have a lantern. We'll have the fire pit going here. And it looks good. 74 bucks. It's a lot cheaper than many, but we'll find out how it holds up. And I'll get back to you in this video, you know, when we get done with the trip, because I don't have too many SD cards here. So I'll let you know how it all plays out. Don't forget to subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed. Happy camping. Good morning. Good morning. Look at her out there. All right, well, all in all, we just finished up camping 3 days now with this new tent. and it did okay. It was actually good. If there were bugs, we got fortunate. We barely had any bugs this trip, which is kind of crazy for this time of year. We should be swarming, but we were grateful. And the tent did extremely well. We're starting to break down camp now. We're getting 20 to 30 mile an hour wind, starting to sag, but it held up well. It was good if you're doing a picnic table thing like this. I would recommend this for bugs and bugs only. For rain, you're going to want a bigger canopy area, so maybe go with a larger size tent, like 12 by 13 or 12 by 15. So you set it up one shot and you're protected by both rain and bugs. Otherwise, this here with rain, it's just going to come right in. So putting a tarp over top is going to be what's needed if you're going to do like a long outing. But as far as setting up, once we found the instructions, this was perfect. It was quick, 2 minutes, it goes right up. And for $74, I think it's worth it. I think it's a good buy. The zippers seem to hold up pretty decent for the 3 days we're here. We haven't had any issues yet with that. And that's really it. It's just something to keep the bugs away. All right, well, we just packed down the tent, and a lot of the old tents used to be a pain in the butt to get them back into a bivy sack or into their original. But this one went really smooth. It was easy, it was quick, and taking it down probably took literally 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes. Putting it up took probably about 1 minute to 2 minutes. So it's definitely a pretty easy, simple design. Hope you guys enjoyed this review. Take care, and don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Happy camping, guys.